Now here we have some slippers, my Daddy-O's slippers. It's all falling apart in the back here like this. And why doesn't he just get some new ones? I guess we're gonna take the hot glue gun. We're just gonna put some hot glue down in there and spooge that back together like that. And I think that's the only thing that's wrong with that. And I think that's what the glue gun's out here for. And she keeps it all wrapped up like this. And it sure makes sense because when that heats up and when you put it away, it gets all sticky. Here's the glue for the end of the glue gun that you put in there. I don't really like working that. I tell her, hey, you get it set up for me and I'll do it and then you put it away. I guess this glue gun actually worked pretty good. We've glued this back down. We're just taking the salsa and pushing that down and making it stick for a little bit. And yes, we've got something else here that needs a little bit of attention. These have little feet on them. And well, I'm going to take the glue gun to this too and see what I can do about fixing this. And these are just little felt pads. You could get some new felt pads, but the sticky runs out of them. And if you ever had a felt pad, maybe half of your felt pad came off, let's say, or you know, the thickness, and you thought, oh, I gotta fix those. Well, try taking your glue gun, if you have one. You get it at any hobby store. This stuff is hot too. I guess that's why they call it a hot glue gun, huh? But we're just gonna do that business. Push that on there. And just try to see what we can do about fixing this up. See, the sticky stuff from before was only on a little few pieces anyways. Now with that hot glue in there, it's really going to get right down in the nooks and crannies, isn't it? Clean all this stuff off of here. This is an old chair. I keep telling my mother she needs to get something else and not use this thing anymore. It's a dangerous little thing, but it's an heirloom. And so she likes to have it around. We're going to see what we can do about getting it to work again. Next time we might put some thicker pads on there, but you know what? I think this will make her happy for a while. And if these get loose again, guess what? You take a little bit more glue and you do it again. I've had this sitting here for a while and I think my minor surgery is complete. Uh-oh. This whole thing is pulling up all the way. I got it glued right there, but I think I'm gonna have to put some more glue back down in here now. Good thing I checked that out. We'll fix a little bit more. Get those slippers back on the road.
What?
Okay, Mother, I'm gonna hold this up and I want you to glue it. Don't get it on my fingers, that stuff's hot.
Look, just a minute.
Oh, you wanna get that too?
Well, I guess.
Okay.
We'll put a little there.
Yeah, put a little more down in there. A little
Okay.
more right there. Okay. That's good. Ooh. Okay. Elsa. Soak that puppy. You got enough glue? You got any more glue sticks?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. Put it in the middle.
Oh boy, I need another glue stick. Get it quick.
Here, hold that. Where is it?
Open the drawer. It's on the left-hand side.
Ah. Oh man, you got all kinds. Okay. Here. Okay, I got it. Put on the high bits. Get right in the middle. Right in the middle, right there, Mom. Okay, that's good. Let's try it. I think that's gonna work. We'll put our little salsa bit on here again, set that up there, and let it sit there for a few more minutes. While I'm working away in the other room, Papa Joe's working away in here, working on his puzzle. Hey, are you getting it all figured out?
No,
No.
I gotta go here, but
This one, this one looks hard. That's pretty.
1,000 piece.
We've got all the colors for the
Rainbow.
bird. The bird's right there. All the other stuff over there. We got the blues here, the grays
Ugh.
here, all the borders here.
Yeah.
And so you're working on the borders. All right, keep it going. I'll be
Trying
working in
to.
the other room. And you be working here.
Doing what?
Doing what? The honeydew list that you're supposed to be doing for Mother. But I'm doing it instead.
You're good at it.
Okay, keep it going.
Look at that.
All right.
Didn't fit.